In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download any Google document and then save it on your computer as a Word document. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have here a Google document and I'd like to download it and save on my computer as a Word document. Now to do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to this file option and then tap on it. And you'll see we have this option called download. Under it, we have quite a number of options, and the number one option is Microsoft Word Docs. So if you choose this, it will be downloaded as a Word document and then it will be saved on our computer. So go ahead and choose the format you want to download it in. For my case, I chose the first option, Microsoft Word, and now the download will start straight away, and here it is. It is on my computer. If I go ahead and double click on it to open, it will be opened. And now I can enable editing by tapping on enable editing. And here it is. I can make any changes that I wish on this document. And also I can share it to other people. So that's how you download a Google document as a Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.